AP Seminar is part of the Capstone program. In this class, we teach the introductions to the concepts in college-level research. It's a little bit different than research is taught in English classes, and that's much for the better. A lot of the big ideas in this is trying to really show students that research is a genuine process of inquiry in which a question is formulated and sincerely asked, and answers are sought through various means. It also talks about trying to be able to evaluate those different sources of information and then take that information and synthesize it into a new argument that's presented in a variety of ways. So the way that that's done in the course can be seen in this course exam and description. This is a quite long document, as you can see. It's 130 pages. This is also online from the College Board. But just a quick summary of the more important parts of it. There's what's called a Performance Task 1, which is a group research and presentation process in which a group of students comes together and develops a question. The question has to do with some sort of large, controversial, worldwide topic. And then they go and do research on this as individuals, bring that individual research back together. They will write a report on the research they've done individually, give that report to their classmates, and then as a group, they will put that information together into an argument that they will present as a team, which is their team presentation. The next task is all individual. They do basically the same things. They will develop a research question, do research, and then formulate an argument. Now, a difference here is the paper they write is a written argument, so it's a little bit longer paper, and unlike the report in the first task, this one they are actually doing the synthesis and creating an argument and making a case for something. Then they will give an individual multimedia presentation in which they present their findings, and that all works towards part of their grade. And then finally, at the very end of the year, there is an EOC that works on those sorts of skills. Now, looking at our AP Classroom in here, our Google Classroom, when they first log in, they'll see the stream. The stream is basically used for quick communication of basic things. It's not unimportant, but it's by far not the most important tab. This classwork tab is the really important one. This is where, at the bottom, they'll find reference materials that are here all year for help with various tasks and just information about the class. But moving upward, this is where all assignments and information about the current tasks are going to be, and it's going to be organized by task. So currently, we're working on a practice performance task 1. So that included that individual research report, their research itself, and then also the development of the visual for their presentation. And this week we're going to start presenting, so that's where they are in this process. So this process is almost over. That is the layout of the Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, you can email me or call.